for you. Thank you again to Milton and his crew. Thanks for the sound guys for making us sound better where we are. Thank you for you guys for paying attention, singing along, having fun, being yourselves. This next song is called Caught in the Rain. And so we're 9 Mile Station. You can find us on Instagram. So you guys, while you're following all those fitness models in between those, you can friend us. And girls, while you're got all your cat videos in between those, you can follow us there too. Sold about a man and a woman and a pot of gold. There's a mall somewhere I know if you listen close. Well, he's got a girl and he loves her so. She's the prettiest damn thing that everyone knows. She runs around behind his back whenever you know he's not close. And you know he's coming home real soon. And you know you better give that boy some room. She got caught in the rain and she can't get home. She got caught in the rain and she can't get home. She got caught in the rain and she can't get home to you. Well, I know it ain't fair. No, it ain't right. She works hard all day, he stays out all night. Yeah, that other shoe is gonna drop, and when it does, it's gonna be a fight. And you know she's coming home real soon. And you know you better give that boy some room. She got caught in the rain and she can't get home. She got caught in the rain and she can't get home. She got caught in the rain and she can't get home to you. Hey Chris, what you got to say over there, man? Chris, let's go, buddy. Now I can see she's online. I see that little green dot next to her name online, but she hasn't texted me back. Haven't heard back from her for a couple days. When she left the last time, I guess she was smiling. She looked like she was smiling, but now I haven't heard from her. It's a long drive from Venice to Silver Lake at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but at 2 o'clock in the morning, there's no one there. Takes you about 25 minutes, but do I drive to Silver Lake and check, see if the light's on? Am I that guy? So finally she picks up the phone. Babe, where you been? I got caught in the rain and I can't get home. Got caught in the rain and and I can't get home. Got caught in the rain and I can't get home to you. I'm gonna ask you guys to sing that back to me. I got caught in the rain and she can't get home. Got caught in the rain and she can't get home. Got caught in the rain and I can't get home to you. Now that you know the lyrics, you think maybe we can do that a little bit louder? Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? That's what I'm talking about. Let's do that one more time, but I want to hear you, okay? This is our last song. I want her to hear me over in Silver Lake. She got caught in the rain and she can't get home. Got caught in the rain and she can't get home. She got caught in the rain and I can't get home to you. 1, 2, 3. She got caught in the rain and she can't get home. Got caught in the rain and I can't get home. Got caught in the rain and I can't get home to you. 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 Thanks everybody for listening. We are 9 Mile Station. It's great to play for you. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.